Hi all, I am Disha Shukla and welcome to the session. In this session we are going to discuss about the GSM channels. So the GSM channels are basically divided into two types, that is the traffic channel and the control channel. The traffic channel is further divided as data channel and a voice channel, and similarly for the control channel it is further divided into BCH, CCCH, DCCH and further. Now let's move on to what they actually mean. So starting with the very first thing that we have is the traffic channel. So the traffic channel can either be a full rate or a half rate and carry either digitized speech or the user data. When transmitted as a full rate, so the user is contained within one TS per frame, that is one time slot per frame. When transmitted at half rate, user data is mapped onto the same time slot but is sent in an alternate frame. Further it says that full rate speech channel, that is the TCHFS, that is the first thing. This is the full rate speech channel which carries user speech which is digitized at the raw rate of 13 kbps. Now all these channels are basically, they carry the data, but they are divided into so many types based on the content they carry, that is whether they are carrying a data or whether they are carrying the voice, and again at what speed based on that. So the full rate speech TCHFS was carrying at 13 kbps. The other is full rate data channel for 9600 beats per second, that is TCHF 9.6. The full rate traffic data channel carries raw user data which is sent at 9600 beats per second. The full rate data channel for 4800 beats per second is the TCHF 4.8. The full rate traffic data channel that carries the raw user data which is sent at 4800 beats per second, and the other is the full rate data channel for 2400 beats per second, that is the TCHF 2.4. The full rate traffic channel carries the raw user data which is sent at 2400 bits per second. Now the next types of the channels are the half rate, that is the half rate speech channel TCHHS, half rate data channel for 4800 beats per second, that is the TCHH 4.8, and the half rate data channel for 2400 bits per second, that is the TCHH 2.4. So the half rate speech channel is the half rate, it carries the user's speech which is digitized and sampled at the rate half that of the full rate, that is 6.5 kbps. The half rate data channel in this one, the traffic data channel carries the raw user data which is sent at 4800 beats per second, and the half rate traffic channel data channel carries the user's raw data which is sent at 2400 bits per second. With the additional forward error correction coding applied by the GSM standards, the 2400 bits per second data is sent at 11.4 kbps. Now the control channels, that is there are 3 control channels in GSM system, and each control system consists of several logical channels which are distributed in time to provide the necessary GSM control functions. The common control channel, that is the first one, that is the CCCH. The common control channel consists of 3 different channels, that is the paging channel which is forward link channel, a random access channel which is a reverse link channel, and an access grant channel, that is it provides the permission to access the particular channel. So the CCCH, that is the common control channels, are most commonly used control channels and are used to page specific subscribers, assign signaling channels to the specific users, and receive mobile requests for service. The paging channel, that is the PCH. The paging channel provides the paging signals from the base station to all the mobiles in the cell and notifies a specific mobile of an incoming call which originates from the PSTN. The random access channel, that is RACH, it is a reverse link channel, as I already said, that is used by the subscribers to acknowledge the page from the PCH and also is used by the mobiles to originate a call. The access grant channel, that is the HECH. Now it is used by the base stations to provide the forward link communication to the mobile and carries the data which instructs the mobile to operate in a particular physical channel with particular dedicated control channel. The broadcast channel, that is the BCH. The broadcast channel operates on the forward link of a specific ARFCN within each cell and transmits the data only in the first time slot of a certain GSM frames. Broadcast control channel, that is the BCCH. The broadcast control channel is a forward control channel that is used to broadcast the information such as cell and network identity and operating characteristics of the cell. Then comes the frequency correction channel, that is the FCCH. The FCCH is a special data burst which occupies TS0, that is for the very first GSM frame, and is repeated after every 10 frames within a control channel multiframe. The FCCH allows each user unit to synchronize its internal frequency standard to the exact frequency of the base station. The synchronization channel, that is the SCH. SCH is broadcast in TS0 of the frame immediately following the FCCH, that is the frequency correction channel, and is used to identify the serving base station while allowing each mobile to frame synchronize with the base station. So this is all about what are the different channels and how they work, and this is an important question because it has been asked, and it is asked generally in the exams. So kindly prepare it. It is just something that you need to learn. I mean, you just need to define the whole figure that had different channels and at what frequency do they work out. So if you have any questions, you can ask me. Until then, keep learning.